Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you on my iPhone how to screen record while including the audio. This is super helpful if you are trying to, screen record while having some commentary so you can actually talk while screen recording. And it's also very helpful when you're filming a video like this and you want to sync up your phone recording to your actual video. Because if you have audio on your screen recording, as well as audio on this recording, then it makes it way more easy to know when to sync them up. So I have my phone here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe down from the top right. That's going to pull up this control center screen. And what I'm going to do is, well, you guys can see I am already recording my screen, so showing that, but you should have that right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold down on it for longer than, a second. It's going to pull up this. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that the microphone on button is pressed. So if this is not red right here, then that means that your microphone is off. What you want to do is you want to press on that. It's going to say microphone on, and the microphone itself, the image is going to be red. And after that, you can select where you want the screen recording to go and then click start recording. If you don't see that option in your control center, what you're going to do is you're going to go to settings and you're going to scroll down to control center, which is right under general settings. So I'll click on that right here. I have the access within apps and show home controls selected here. That's what I recommend doing. And here in your include controls, that's what is going to show when you swipe from the top right of your phone screen. So you guys can see I have screen recording selected. And if that's not there, you're going to actually scroll down here to more controls and you're going to select it. So I'm actually going to remove screen recording just to show you guys how to do this. So if I come down here to more controls, I'll look for screen recording. It's right there. And what I'm going to do is easy click that green plus button. That's going to move it right up here. And there you have it. From there, everything you're going to be recording is going to include audio, which makes it a lot easier to actually sync up that clip with your actual video like this, or just makes it so that you can make commentary while recording your screen so that you can send it to someone. Now, what I will say is that this does reset. So what I recommend doing is make sure you double check to see that that microphone on is selected. Every single time I do a screen recording, I'll make sure that that is selected because at some point it will automatically deselect. So yeah, that's how you do a screen recording and include the audio. I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, make sure to share with a friend and also like and subscribe for more videos just like this. On this channel, we do a ton of free guides and tutorials helping entrepreneurs with their businesses. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.